Hi, I'm Kelly Malone for Connection. I'm joined by Kristen Hintlian, AMD Channel Sales Manager for Connection. Today we're going to take an in-depth look at the Lenovo ThinkPad Z13 series and what it brings to organizations around the world. Kristen, the buzzword nowadays is AI. It is making a huge impact in nearly every space. Lenovo and AMD are two of the companies that are leading the charge with AI's business integration. So what are they bringing to the table for users in this regard?
AMD has brought the world's first x86 integrated AI processor to market. This is revolutionary. Paired with the Z13, we're able to allow users the ability to use AI on their device every single day. It's changing the way that users are able to work, giving them better efficiency. And with this device, they can do 10 trillion, yes,
wow.
10 trillion.
That's an astronomical number.
It really absolutely is. AI functions per second.
Per second?
Per second.
Wow.
So that is absolutely changing the world, and up to 4 concurrent processes can happen at the same time. So this is changing the way that people are working today and absolutely making people more efficient and more secure.
Kristen, so now that users are getting the power of a ThinkPad, AMD, AI, and Windows 11 Pro combined, what can they expect out of a device that offers all of this? Will it help them be more productive or collaborate better?
Well, all of the above, Kelly. It's going to really change the way people work today. For example, when they're on a video call, it's going to help them to have a better eye gaze. It's going to give them auto frame technology, so they'll be in the center of the screen always. They're going to have noise canceling. It's also going to give them the ability to have a longer battery life, so they'll be able to work all day. Our Zen 4 architecture gives people the ability to have the best in performance. These are all things that we at AMD, combined with Lenovo and Windows, are here to make sure that our customers are able to benefit from, because a device just isn't a device anymore. We really want to give people the benefit of being able to work better together and be able to work embracing the different security features that our IT organizations have put out there for us without having to go around them. We want to use the features that we have. One really cool thing that this device has is rapid charging. So now when my device maybe does die because it does last for so long, within 1 hour, I can get an 80% charge.
Wow, that's a huge improvement on a device that's ultra lightweight and portable. But how does it stack up to one of today's biggest business concerns, which are cyber threats?
Both AMD and Lenovo take cybersecurity very seriously. And AMD actually uses a multi-layered approach, from the OS to the OEM, Lenovo, to the system. And we even will layer on top whatever security system our customers are using as well. So all of those will work in tandem and provide best-in-class security for our customers. One additional piece that the Z13 in particular has that a lot of other products don't have is Microsoft Pluton Security, which is a FIPS certified security protocol which offers chip-to-cloud protection for all of your data.
Great features to know that your data is secure. Mm-hmm. But what happens if, let's say, I lose my device? I know it happens.
Never gonna happen.
Or it gets stolen, then what?
AMD offers AMD remote manageability. This is a terrific feature because we don't charge for it. So this comes absolutely cost-free with every single AMD device. So when you purchase the Z13, you'll get AMD's remote manageability features, which not only allow you to manage your fleet, like pushing out updates, but also comes with AMD's memory guard. So you can do a remote wipe of your features. AMD's memory guard is going to be key for managing cybersecurity threats.
Well, it sounds like Lenovo and AMD have everything covered, Kristen. Thank you very much. If you're ready to learn more about the Lenovo ThinkPad series, head over to Connection today and discover one to fit your work style, needs, and budget by visiting connection.com/Ryzen.